This weekend we went to Brisbane and we bought an awning for our car, and that's going to make our camp set up quicker and easier, so we're looking forward to using that next weekend. Hi, I'm Amanda.
Hi, I'm Tim,
and we're Travel Fit. Is that alright?
Yeah.
We've both been a little bit sick, so there's no fitness this week. So this weekend we just had fun time, did some Bikram yoga, and we just had a bit of a rest weekend, had a good campfire, and then took some crazy dogs for a walk. So our family's dogs, took them for a walk and a bath. So this is just a little bit of a fun weekend that we had. Hope you enjoy it.
So we're on our way to a four-wheel drive shop to buy an awning. So I've been researching them online and found one I think that's good, so we're going to go out and check it out. Width is better than length. Cheers. Basically like that. But who needs them, right?
Who does need them?
Just making sure that I agree with what they've written.
What are they?
I'm not sure. Is that what you're supposed to be doing? Well, you've even got a little thingamajiggy on your Dover watch.
Decided to try out some Bikram and see how flexible we are.
We're going to Bikram yoga.
Or as Tim calls it,
Bikram yoga.
hey, watch this space in an hour and a half.
That was pretty good.
I've just sweated 3/4 of my body weight out, so I'm so much lighter now. And it was so much fun. I now feel like I'm stretched and relaxed and full of energy, and I need to go running again.
That was the shittiest thing I've ever done in my life.
Did you enjoy any part of that?
Nah, that really was tough. Quick, go, Kobe! You having fun, mate? Good luck. Okay, shake.
You
little bit wet. You tell him, Louis.
Okay, so it's important to subscribe.
We actually really would like to get to 100 subscribers so that we can customize our URL. And if you don't know what that means, just tap subscribe.
And thumbs up and click on the bell.